It's your girl Des. I'm back with another video. Y'all, the last time I picked up this camera was when I was at the Beyonce show. Like, hello. Today is y'all see my Renaissance cover. Get into it. Today is August 4th. Speaking of the Beyonce show, I did not tell y'all how the show was. Like, I literally forgot to show y'all the stuff that I got from the show, and also just how the show was in general. But before we get into that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and just make sure you watch this whole video, period. If y'all watched my Renaissance vlog, then y'all know, like, Beyonce ate. She literally ate. This is my second time seeing her in person, or like seeing her in show. Y'all, this woman never fails to amaze me. Like, the first time she ate, second time she devoured. Like, it's like she just keeps topping every show. We're talking about a legend. We're talking about literally a legend. Like, there's no comparing that at all. So shut that down real quick. Right now I'm about to show y'all all the stuff that I got. As soon as some doors open, as soon as some gates open, I told my mom, I said, let's go. The first stop was merch, okay? Because one thing about it, what that sound say, I'm leaving here with something. I just knew that I wanted the tour book, like, instantly. Like, when she had her first show, yeah, I knew I'm getting a tour book. First item is this tote bag. It's like this. It's so cute, y'all. Mama. On the back of it, it has all the shows that she's done. She had Stockholm, London, Paris, Sunderland, yeah, Philadelphia. Had to have it. The second thing that I got, me and my mom, we both got our own. We got the fans. Say heated. Oh wait, yeah, say heated. I don't know, but I'm like this. No, to give space and a time like this, my love. I love Beyonce. Back of it is rainy. Okay, when I tell you, when she sung heated, the girls had their fans and the girls did what needed to be done. I promise you, I use this fan like every day. Last but not least, welcome to the Renaissance. I can tell I'm not over it. Like, in it, she has like just different photos from like the album. It's her set list. It has a set list, and then it has rainy. I guess like the construction of building rainy. Their rehearsal. Book is so worth it. But yeah, that's everything that I got from the show. 10 out of 10. If you can go, I would say go. That is a show. That is the show for the century. I also forgot to show y'all yesterday, I made myself a new screen, like a new background for my iPad. Oh, but yeah, I said let me just make myself a new one, because like, if you have a gift, use it, babes. Hey y'all, so it's a little later and we're on our way home now. We got the food secured, and we're on the way home. So once we get home, I'm gonna show y'all the food. Yeah. Oh, look at the people raising money. Look at the people raising. It's so mean. Hey guys, I'm literally just waking up, and I just got, but I got the notification that my package was here, and I told y'all that. Did I tell y'all? Wait, but if I didn't tell y'all, basically y'all, I got it so easy. It comes in a big box. I got the medium, but babes, this is giving large. It's just a box, but yeah. So open it. So, opening it. OMG, look y'all, this is so cute. Oh my god, I gotta take a picture. The Melissa at Telfar. Okay, come on, packaging.
Hit it in the car and take you back to the casa. Bet I got you rock now. That dick all over that yacht now. That's that sweet Nick. That's that 1996. That's that blue Miami Vice. 12 in the trunk, get away. Where will you go when it comes to an end?